How to print colourful stickers with Eufy Make E1. Switch to the standard flatbed. Attach the uvdtf printing film sheet to the platform and peel off the top layer. Select your design and take a snapshot. Choose the sticker ink mode. Hit print and watch your colourful sticker come to life. Turn on the laminating machine. Pull out the B-film roll. Take out the guide sheet and insert it together with the B-film, so the film is properly guided through the film guide plate. Press the heating button and wait until the heat indicators light up. Insert the sticker sheets. Cut. Use scraper to remove air bubbles and ensure a better finish. Stickers can be used on MacBooks, notebooks, walls, windows, or anywhere with a smooth surface.